The VIVO X FOLD Plus is official with a brand new color and a brand new chipset. The phone uses the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, which, per Qualcomm's official numbers, promises a 30% reduction in power use coupled with a 10% increase in performance. Besides the chipset, the battery also got an upgrade. The Plus model boasts 4,730 mAh capacity, up from 4,600 mAh. Combined with the more efficient chipset, the new foldable flagship should last nearly 2 hours longer when viewing videos. Wired charging was boosted to 80W, up from 66W, so now 70% charge is reached in 18 minutes, a full charge takes 35 minutes. The original model also shipped with an 80W charger, but it couldn't make full use of it. It was only 2 minutes slower to 100%, though, not a huge loss. Like the original, the X FOLD Plus has an 8-inch foldable display, with ultra-thin glass, UTG, and a 1:120Hz LTPO panel. Both it and the 6.53-inch cover display, 21:9, feature ultrasonic fingerprint readers. The hinge can stay open at several angles, handy for multimedia and video calls. The rear camera setup is as before with a 50MP main module, 1.0mm f/1.75 OS, 48MP ultra-wide, 114 degrees, and 2 telephoto modules, one 12MP camera with a 47mm lens for portraits and one 8MP periscope camera with 5x magnification, and up to 60x digital zoom and OIS. The new colorway is called Huaxia Red and is covered in faux leather like the two original colors. Those are available on the X FOLD Plus too. The VIVO X FOLD Plus is available for pre-order in China starting today and will go on sale on the 29th.